Oxygen levels are near critical. The dead will be rising soon.
Friendly ammo box marked.
Gotta move, gas coming. Run.
Infestations initiated. Undead threats are entering the AO.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Like, knock him out, he's just down. There you go, good job.
Back up.
Infestation's at 50%. Target undead
Question
threat.
recon fire.
Moving in. New safe zone located.
UAV is bingo.
Infestation levels are near critical. The dead will be rising soon.
Mine green. Damn it, motherfucker. Quicker than these bullets.
Holy cow.
Undead threats are returning to the Warzone. Stay frosty.
People went into the portal. Are they gonna try to camp the portal the whole time?
Take you bastards!
Your team made it to the safe zone.
Moving here.
Semtex here. Moving here.
It's a jumpy little guy. Came remarkable. He was making my body jump around till I couldn't even know it.
Locate antivirus infection.
Ooh, that was close. I almost died.
Squadmate has been cured from infection. They're back with the contact dropping in the area.
Bullshit, dude. I was beating your fucking ass and then you hit me twice with the butt of your gun. And I got that motherfucker recorded too, so I'm fucking recording your ass. Right to the left, green. He's yeah, he's outside the door.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna bring you back. Oh, maybe not.
He's gonna need probably need your help inside, green. Sounds like he's getting lit up. The buy station's on the other side of that wall. Alright, good job. Good job.
There you go. Shit. Oh, fuck.
Fuck, I can't see him. There he is.
On the target, right here.
Squadmate has been infected. Locate antivirus to help cure them. Enemy dropping into the AO.
I have another. Grab you if you die.
For sure.
Gas is closing in. Relocating
Should be
the safe
alright.
zone.
Oh, that's bullshit, dude. Fucking, I'm unloading on you with a fucking full mag.
Returned as one of the undead. Virus to bring yourself back to life. Enemy soldier incoming. Squadmate cured their infection. Antivirus secured. Using 4 to cure the infection. A member of your squad is infected. They're redeploying as an undead friendly. zone relocated.
Motherfucker. How did they even get me? I had full fucking health and everything. Like, hopefully it just slid in and fucking took me out. Just taking these zombies down.
The wrong fight.